You can't upload videos no longer than 15 minutes, so that's the longest video. Oh, it's steady. Stupid display. I killed this one. Oh my god. Aww. Daddy! Daddy! Look! Only one red light. See?
Yeah.
Only one red light.
Yeah, here goes the little crybaby bitch. There you go. Later.
Okay, all these videos I cannot upload now. Get that display beat down. Alright. Dad, unplug her. Unplug her.
You know, I was trying to stay away and deflect the situation, but he wanted to escalate.
Dad.
When I told him to, get back.
Dad, unplug her.
Yeah, plug it. You want me to?
Yep. Unplug it because the display stopped working. No, there's no voltage going to the inverter anymore.
Yeah.
Converter. So it's safe to touch now?
That's right. Go check it out. Feel around. You just smashed that speaker.
Oh yeah, that's what popped that thing dented in. Look what we can do!
Yeah? Oh.
I'm peeling off the film. Yeah, that's one speaker. Here's your speaker, everybody. But here's the inverter. Right here.
I know I am.
Look at this piece of plastic.
I understand.
So I'm gonna have to smash that piece of
We've
plastic.
been down this road 9,000 million times. You don't have to tell me the
There, got it off.
private, public, boundaries, trespass.
And there.
I understand.
Now you can see there's the inverter, the speaker, which just inserts in there. I'll keep that off so you can see what's inside the speaker. This is what it looks like with the speaker on. Can't see any components. Take that off. There we go. There's a display, which does not work. Yep, inverter has no electricity into it. Yep, there's one clock. Dad? Dad? Should we snip off this cord and you can use this cord for something?
No.
You don't want to use this power cord?
You can give me that magnet.
Speaker magnet?
Yeah. You want to snip the wires?
Snip the wires
Okay, hold on.
from that part. Here's your speaker, which is probably already dead.
Yeah, but it's the magnet I want.
You can still have dead speakers, but just a magnet's all you
Yeah, the
need?
magnet's good for anything.
Bam! And slam! And bam! This alarm clock vintage radio. Piece of plastic that was on in the inside.
Alright. Are you wearing your glasses?
You didn't even know I wasn't wearing them?
No. We're going to let you do your own thing and you be smart about it. Got it?
Got it.
You got 5 minutes.
I'm
You're
at
four-
5?
You're exactly 4 minutes on your video.
Here's as hard as I can go. Oh, messed up the tuner. How about the volume? Still kind of works. What fell out? Display. LED bits for it. What's the switch? Switch between radio. Stupid radio. Volume button. tuning knob.
Yeah, you broke everything. There was glass and shit flying everywhere. Come on.
Where's the knob piece for these?
It probably flew. There's one right beside you.
That's tuning.
And there's one kind of down beside the block. Oh, no, you just missed it. That thing. What's that? What's that? No, you just missed a circle. Right by your toes. Oh, you just missed it again. You put your right there.
Oh, that's a piece of film that was inside the other clock.
Oh.
But we smashed that up good. Oh, look! This whole circuit board lifted out again. And now there's the inverter in there. Well, where this power cord meets, that's where it is, right here, where the inverter is. This clock was so cheap. Sit up, slouchy alarm clock. Look what happened, folks. Come on. Oh, only feel the buttons.
I mean, this is where I've been the whole time. You know, I understand. Yeah. Well, let him next time he does approach me. I'm up here for my life, and I am going to defend myself. Sure. Even if he just comes up and gets in my face, I am going to defend myself. So you let him know not to approach me anymore. I don't feel safe around him. I can be here free to film as long as I'm not breaking the law, right, ma'am? As long as I'm not breaking the law as I stated, ma'am. That's it. What's your name and badge number, ma'am? Thank you. And you, sir?
Yep, that piece is stuck. Can't get that out.
Thank you, sir.
What do you think was the best smashing so far?
All right, well, like I said, you need to go talk to him because I said if he does approach me for
Smash
any
that
reason
another
next time, I
day.
will defend myself. And I'm letting you guys know that I'm fearing for my life now.
What's this? A neon blue version of alarm clock. Wow.
As more and more people switch from TV to YouTube, content creators on YouTube...
That's what I did. I switched from TV to YouTube, right, Dad?
Media companies. And if you're not running your own YouTube channel...
I'm running a YouTube channel. That's what he's talking about?
Yeah, well, this guy's an idiot.
I have a job to do. I can't run from everything, just like
They're
you.
trying
You
to
have a
scam
job
money
to
from
do, and if
people.
you're in fear for your life, you cannot run from your duties. You
Duties.
cannot run from your duties, ma'am. You have duties to perform, and you
not
cannot run
duties.
from that. No matter how you feel.
All right. He's here all the stuff that's...
No matter what it is.
Are you going to clean all that up?
No, I will.
No, I will. No, I want to hear yes, I will.
Yes, I will.
My own personal business, and that's all I gotta say. This is my own personal equipment.
Rock the
I'm
clock.
independent media, and I'm documenting this for my own reasons. They have it on the record. I gave it to the
The circuit board.
Yeah, it's $100.
These clocks were so cheap.
All right.
Stupid
Do
fridge.
your thing, I'll do my thing. There's no PPA to file here, guys. There's no damage. There's
Bam,
no
and slam.
injury.
And
nothing.
bam, these two alarm clocks.
This is how it plays, you know. And this is why I should have had pepper spray with me to deflect the situation. Unfortunately, I don't have that, and there's no reason for me to, you know, get into that type of physical altercation. For the simple fact
Popped
that
off
there's
some
really
buttons.
nothing going on here.
Uh-oh.
I'm not here to fight anybody. I'm not here to cause
We got
any
some
harm
bad
or,
news.
you know, do anything like that. So for this guy to act like this, maybe he needs a proper education.
I smashed the
That's
button.
whatever happened to him, instead of sending him to jail and putting him in the system, guys. You gotta think
Buttons.
about that. You gotta think about the people that, you know, not just them calling the cops on us, but if we have to call the sending
Dad.
this man to jail, you know?
Which one looks smashed
Yes
the
or no?
most?
Or maybe we can just properly
Daddy.
tell him that we have rights
Daddy.
out here.
Daddy.
You know, so this is
Which
what
one smashed the
deputies are
most?
doing right now. They're
That one.
showing him
The
and
vintage
telling
one?
him
The
that
one on
they
your
have-
right hand.
he has
The
no
neon
right
one?
to go
Oh, yeah.
this way with somebody's phone.
Yeah, screw the vintage one.
So
Let's get the
this
neon
could go
one.
a long way for this
That one's
company
very smashed.
because
Wait, show everybody.
I should have kept the neon one.
you know this could
Mom
be
shouldn't
an
have letting me
education level
keep
for
it.
the rest of the company, especially that clown that works here that says he's on the supervisor
That's
level.
right there, yeah.
He's on the clown level, like the security guard. He needs to get up.
Smashed
on
up this
higher
clock the
level.
most.
Whoa.
That clown,
However, the vintage
big
one
face clown will
hardly
never be that
smashed.
level.
You know what I do with power cords?
That's why he has to ride his skateboard
And the
around at lunchtime with
device.
his phone, 'cause he has to
I do
park his
this.
car here and then ride his board down the street, go smoke, and then he's gonna come pack people's furniture, whatever the hell they do here. I don't know what it is, what they're packing. He's gonna go pack people's stuff
Packing
in
the
boxes, and this is what, you know, this is his rude awakening. He's under.
Where are those shimmer eggs?